I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Audi A6. From any screen, click nav. Nav is there. You've got the control button in the center, the rotary selector, and then you've got 4 buttons on the outside of the selector. Each of those buttons corresponds to any instruction showing up in the corners of the screen. So onto nav, you've got destination there. There's also a light to give you a clue, but anyway, click destination, start route guidance, or it's actually on it's showing our garage here, but I'll do it again. So up to town, click town, and then you get this thumb wheel, and we are Grosvenor Garage PR. Now we need to go to numbers. You see there, the numbers are there. You've got list, delete, nothing there, and 0 to 9 there. So we click in the bottom right hand corner, and then we've got the numbers. So we are PR5 4, then it's defaulted back to letters J S, and that's okay. And really speaking, just go down to center, click center, and start route guidance again by clicking the selector.
The routes are being calculated.
That's it. It will then tell us the fastest way.